What happens to your body when you do 100 Russian twists every day? If you're seeking a rigorous workout that will push your core muscles to their limits, you may consider attempting to complete 100 Russian twists daily for a month. However, before taking on this intense exercise routine, you may wonder what effects it could have on your body. Will it help shape your abs and obliques into ideal form, or will it result in exhaustion and potential injury? In this video, we'll delve into the advantages and drawbacks of this arduous fitness challenge and reveal what truly occurs when you commit to doing 100 Russian twists every day for 30 days. Prepare to twist and shout as we uncover the truth. Day 1. Getting started. After undertaking the initial phase of the challenge, it's possible that you may experience some degree of muscular discomfort or tension following the completion of 100 Russian twists. This is a typical response, as your muscles are being subjected to a fresh form of physical stress. Furthermore, you may detect an improvement in your posture and a sensation of increased tautness in your core throughout the day. Day 2 to 7. Building endurance. As you progress with the challenge, your body will begin to adjust to the exercise, resulting in increased endurance. It's possible that you'll find completing 100 Russian twists to be less challenging with less exertion required. Additionally, combining the challenge with a healthy diet may yield visible changes in your abdominal muscles. You might even start to notice some physical changes as you continue, especially if you maintain a nutritious eating regimen. Day 8 to 14. Strengthening the core. Upon reaching the second week of the challenge, you ought to observe a considerable enhancement in your core strength. You may find that you can maintain the twist position for longer durations and feel more at ease with the exercise. Additionally, you may start to perceive that your hips and back feel more secure, leading to better overall balance. Day 15 to 21. Improving flexibility. During the third week of the challenge, you may witness an increase in your flexibility, particularly in your hips and lower back region. This is because Russian twists require a twisting motion that stretches and reinforces these areas. Moreover, you may experience a reduction in tension in your lower back, which is a common source of discomfort for many individuals. Day 22 to 30. Reaching the end. As you near the conclusion of the challenge, you may experience a feeling of satisfaction and self-pride for persevering with it. Additionally, you may realize that your body has undergone significant changes, such as having more defined abdominal muscles and improved posture. These developments may instill in you a greater sense of confidence in your capacity to perform other exercises or physical activities. Benefits of doing 100 Russian twists. Practicing Russian twists on a daily basis can offer various advantages, such as better core strength. Russian twists specifically target the core muscles, which encompass the abdominals, obliques, and lower back. By engaging in this exercise daily, you can reinforce these muscle groups, leading to a boost in overall core strength. Increased endurance. The rotational movement required for Russian twists can be quite demanding, particularly when employing a weighted ball. Nevertheless, by practicing this exercise daily, you can increase your endurance and develop your cardiovascular fitness. Improve flexibility. The twisting action associated with Russian twists can aid in the stretching and reinforcement of the hip and lower back muscles. Consistently practicing this exercise on a daily basis can lead to an enhancement in overall flexibility and a reduction in tension within these regions. Better posture. Reinforcing the core muscles can have a positive impact on your posture and may also decrease the probability of experiencing back pain or other related issues. Risks. Although there are numerous benefits associated with performing Russian twists on a daily basis, there are also certain risks to bear in mind, such as the possibility of muscle strain. Overexerting the core muscles by engaging in this exercise frequently may result in muscle strain, particularly if you are unaccustomed to this type of workout. Back pain. If you have a previous history of lower back pain or issues, Russian twists may not be appropriate for you. The rotational movement involved in this exercise can add pressure to the lower back and worsen pre-existing conditions. Overuse injuries. Performing a repetitive exercise routine, such as Russian twists, on a daily basis for a month may result in overuse injuries, such as muscle strains or tendinitis. It is crucial to diversify your exercise regimen and incorporate days of rest to prevent these kinds of injuries. Weighted ball risks. Incorporating a weighted ball during Russian twists carries the risk of injury if the ball's weight is excessive or if you fail to maintain control over it while performing the exercise. Not a complete workout. Although Russian twists are effective in targeting the core, relying solely on this exercise is inadequate for a complete workout routine. It is crucial to incorporate a variety of exercises that focus on diverse muscle groups to ensure overall fitness and health. Conclusion. Doing 100 Russian twists daily for 30 days can be a demanding yet fulfilling fitness challenge. This exercise is an effective way to enhance core strength, endurance, flexibility, and posture by targeting the muscles of the core, such as the abdominals, obliques, and lower back. Nevertheless, it is essential to consider the potential risks of overuse injuries, muscle strains, and back pain that come with doing this exercise every day. It's crucial to remember that Russian twists should not be relied upon as a complete workout routine and must be combined with other exercises to ensure overall fitness and health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.